Class is a user-defined data type and object is a variable of type class. Class can have data members and member functions. A class is a blueprint for creating objects. Every object has its own values. A class can have different types of data. It is basically a collection of variables of different data types and methods. Let's create a simple class for storing data of persons. This defines a class called person that has two attributes, name and age. The init method is a special method that gets called when a new object of the class is created. It works as a constructor, like in other programming languages. The self parameter gets the current object of the class. This is similar to this keyword of Java. You can also give it some other name instead of self. The init method takes two arguments, name and age, and sets them as attributes of the new object. Now, let's create an object of the person class. This creates a new person object with the name attribute set to Alice and the age attribute set to 25. To access the attributes of an object, we use dot notation. Getters and setters are methods that allow us to get and set the values of an object's attributes. Here's an example of how to add getters and setters to the person class. In this example, we've added getter and setter methods for the name and age attributes. The methods have names like getName and setName, where the prefix get or set indicates whether the method is a getter or a setter, and the rest of the method name is the name of the attribute. Now that we've added getters and setters, we can use them to get and set the values of the object's attributes.